Turn over the laptop and remove all screws on the bottom case. I recommend using a plastic tool to open the case. Before install RAM, be sure to disconnect the laptop battery. The MSI GP72 laptop supports DDR4 RAM with a frequency of 2400 MHz. The maximum amount of RAM is 32 GB. In the description under the video, I'll add link where to buy RAM for MSI GP72. Install the battery and secure with a screw. Install the bottom cover and fasten all screws.